Libra, my air babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe if this page has been a blessing to you. Check out my LinkTree. Link is in the bio. I do have some special treats there for you. Your word of the day: transformation, confirmation. This is confirmed. Your life is going to change, not only for the better, in the most extreme positive way that you can think, the most radical way. You've been putting so much work into this, Libra, into your work, into yourself, into your results that you've been looking for, and get ready for grand results. I'm constantly evolving, and I improve inwardly by working on my weaknesses and refining my strengths. Life ensures that I'm presented with situations that help me learn and grow, become stronger. Therefore, what? I can maintain and bring in, channeling bigger blessings. I am aware of my progress, open my wings to light, and I'm transformed to a wiser, stronger, all-powerful being. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.